How to fix the issue WhatsApp create channel option not showing. Let's get started. Launch your WhatsApp. Here we go. Head towards the update page. Over here you're gonna find all the channels, and at the right corner of the channel option you will see this plus icon. Tapping on it you will get two options, find channels and create channel. By tapping on this option of create channel you will be able to create any kind of channel. But in the case you cannot find this option, what you have to do is head towards this option of settings. Now go to the option storage and data. You might find the option of create channel over here. In the case you cannot find that option over here, you can close this app and then you can head towards your App Store or Play Store. Make sure you have updated your WhatsApp app to its latest version, so you can search for the app WhatsApp. After app appears, if you see the option of update over here, just update your WhatsApp to its latest version. And then you can head towards any of the browser. Now type in WhatsApp Help Center and search for it. With that you're gonna land to the WhatsApp Help Center. In this page at the top you'll find this search box. Over there type in WhatsApp channel. With that you're gonna get different options. Click on this very first one option, how to create a WhatsApp channel. Note, WhatsApp channels has begun rolling out but isn't available to everyone yet. So it might be the case that this feature is not available in your region yet, so you can wait. You can scroll down and go through all these explanations. You can wait until this feature is available in your region, or also you can use a VPN. This way your problem might be fixed. So right now this is how you can fix the issue WhatsApp create channel option not showing. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.